Thane-Borivali Twin Tunnel. Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority (MMRDA) will be constructing an underground road connecting Thane in the east and Borivali in the west at an investment of Rs 11,000 crores. Earlier, Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation, through its Public Works Department, was to execute this project. The agency has got a nod from the Environment Department and has submitted a request for approval to the Forest Department for the 10 kilometers long road with 2 tunnels of 3 lanes and 15 meters wide each. Owing to the underground road, the route through Ghorbandar Road can be avoided, as currently it takes nearly 1 hour 30 minutes to travel between Thane and Borivali. But upon completion, the 21 kilometers stretch will be reduced to just 10 kilometers and will take only 15 minutes to cover. The road will be constructed under the Sanjay Gandhi National Park and will start from Tikuji Ni Wadi in Thane and connect with the Western Express Highway at Borivali. The Thane District Collector has initiated the process of land acquisition, and once completed, Thane-Borivali Twin Tunnel will be the country's longest underground tunnel. According to officials, around 8-hectare land at Chitalsar Manpada and Majivada areas in Thane city will be acquired through private negotiation and handed over to the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority, which will undertake the construction of the project. The twin tunnels of 3 lanes each will have crosses every 300 meters, and the design will allow vehicles to travel at a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour. The initiative will contribute to a 36% reduction in carbon dioxide emissions, which comes to around 10.5 lakh metric tons of fuel saved, assisting in the maintenance of environmental balance, and it will help in reducing oil imports. Other features that will be implemented include a drainage system, a smoke detector, and a jet fan. Special measures will be taken to ensure that the air within the twin tunnel remains clean and fresh. Officials said special precautions were taken in planning the tunnel to avoid causing harm to the Sanjay Gandhi National Park's biodiversity. A tunnel boring machine will be used for construction purposes. The work on the Rs 11,000 crore 6-lane project is expected to reduce the travel time between Thane and Borivali to 15 to 20 minutes, and work is likely to begin from March next year. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.